Need to record a credit sale in AutoCount? The AR Invoice module helps you create and track customer invoices correctly. Watch this video to understand it step by step.
So you go to AR Invoice Entry, New, and here you select Customer 1. Customer 1. So this Customer 1, please refer to the page number 8 in the tutorial course book. So task 2.3, we create 3 transactions for AR Invoice. The first transaction is Customer 1. So you see, after we select Customer 1, the agent automatically update Nora. Okay, if you select Customer 2, the agent is PT. And also the credit terms, you see, got 30 days credit term. Let's say this invoice is 15th of January. So credit terms is before this 14th of February we have. Okay, you see the due date here. So you can double check the setting of your credit terms. And invoice, remember, you don't change manually. If change manually, the system cannot running this number, because this new we always refer to next possible number. And you right click over here and then you select the add button. We key in the sales account of 500 sales account, and the description is item 1233, item 1233, and the amount is 5,000. So before we save, we key in the footer description as well. So footer description here is sales, SALE. And remember, you take this proceed with new AI invoice before we save, so that the system can continue next customer. So next customer is customer 1 also, and dated is 19th January. So sales account is sales. So you just key 500. So and the description is item 1236, amount 7,000. The last transaction you save. Last transaction is customer 2, and the date is 21st January, and sales account is sales, and description is item 1239, amount 8,000. That's all. Save. So task 2. Right click column chooser. Here you can drag out the agent name. Okay, agent name very important. Cancel. Sometimes this document already cancelled. So credit terms, due date, all this information very important. Debtor actually is the debtor account number. And sometimes you want to see the create time and the modified time, or someone go and modify it. So that's why you want to check which document is got modified date is different from the create date. And then after that, you susun by invoice number and right click to save layout. The most common use AR invoice screen, and we drag out information. So save as OK.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.